Welcome back to the channel. Dramatic, today's a dramatic day. The most anticipated relaunch, world-renowned, Academy Award winning cooking show with the longest hiatus of all time is back. So today, I'm bringing it back, baby. I've been wanting to bring back my cooking series for literally so long. You guys have been asking for it. Weirdly, you actually have. I have just not cooked in forever. I was so spoiled when my mom was in town. And before that, I just honestly never utilized my new kitchen. I used to cook in my apartment all the time and I just digressed as an adult. So today we're gonna do things a little bit differently. We are gonna make something I've never made before. So I'm not really teaching you much. Fingers crossed it goes well. But we are gonna be making something that I've wanted to make for so long. I got absolutely obsessed with olive oil cake when a brand, well, do you call it a brand if they make baked goods? A new team of women popped up over quarantine called Little House Confections. You just saw these olive oil cakes all over Instagram. So you guys saw in my vlog that I went and I got one and it was so freaking delicious. Obsessed. And a fun fact about me being sober is that when you cut out alcohol, your body actually really craves the sugar. So honestly, when I stopped drinking, I got the biggest sweet tooth ever, and I've never had a sweet tooth. So this is all very new for me, and I'm absolutely obsessed with sweets. I'm absolutely obsessed with olive oil cake, and I'm going to try to recreate their olive oil cake. I love it, you love it, we all love it. Let's try to make it. I'm also gonna be pairing it with a mocktail. If you do drink, you can just do an Aperol spritz of some sort. I feel like it's very Italian vibe. Or if you just want something more wellness, you don't want the calories and poison of alcohol, here we go. I did get a little pan thing from Target that like seemed around the same size. It seems like it's pretty hard, but also pretty easy at the same time. Ingredients: olive oil, lemon, cake flour, 5 large eggs, 3/4 cup, what? Oh, sugar. Okay. Preheat the oven, grease springform pan with some oil, then line the bottom with a round of parchment paper. I just remembered that we got raw chicken on the parchment paper and now we don't have any. It's gonna be crispy. Okay. Just gonna olive oil this little thing up, doesn't really matter. Finely grate lemon zest to measure 1.5 teaspoons and whisk together with flour. Okay. I'm using gluten-free flour. I don't know why. I don't know why this is in my house, but you guys, this is not gonna go well. Yes, 1 cup. Baking is literally just like science, whereas cooking is like art. I think I'd be good at cooking. Oh! I'm gonna grate the lemon into like a little ramekin so I can measure it, and it's not grating at all. Cool. Anyone watch Selling Sunset? No? Cool. Riveting. Whisk together with flour. Flour is done. Now let's do the eggs. The yolks. We're beating together the yolks. Oh my god, I've never done this before. Okay, that's not working. Okay, oh my god, it's happening. It's happening. Jeez Louise. Well, that was just not fun. How am I supposed to do this? Let's try to crack it in the middle this time. Okay. Yes. Woo! Oh, never talk to me or my son again. Okay, this will be 5. All about just like, ha! Okay, so I'm gonna use my KitchenAid mixer, beat yolks and a 1/2 cup of sugar in a large bowl with an electric mixer at high speed until thick and pale. A 1/2 cup is not even that much of sugar. Technically, this is healthy. Here we go. Things are happening. They're happening fast. Reduce speed to medium and add olive oil and then add lemon juice. That was a lot. I feel stressed, but also I feel great. So we're gonna mix this in. I will say it smells amazing. Okay, I guess I see why there's not that much flour because it is like kind of getting into a batter. Okay, so egg whites. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do this with my hand. I have to get it foamy. Okay. Okay, it's foamy. Can I be done? Okay, I knew we needed more sugar because that didn't taste sugary enough. 1/4 cup of sugar. It said to add it in slowly, which I did not, but I feel like that's just silly. This might not be the recipe that I come back to. You know what I mean? What do I look like? I have 2 electric mixers? Who do you think I am? Martha Stewart? Whites into yolk mixture to lighten, then fold in remaining whites gently but thoroughly. Oh my god, it's like so dramatic. Oh my god, we're almost done. Now I'm going to take my oiled pan. I'm gonna rub the oil around with my fingers because I'm just like I'm like a method cook, you know what I mean? Like I like to keep it really homegrown, really organic, really just like true to me, make it with love. And also because I'm just lazy. Ooh, this actually like fits exactly in the little sheet. It does kind of look like all eggs, but I don't know. Oh my God, you can hear my brother screaming on Xbox. That's not very Food Network. Sprinkle evenly remaining 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Cool cake at room temperature for an hour and a half. What? We're gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes. I'm going to clean up and I'll be right back. So while that cooks, I'm going to make myself a little mocktail. I love doing like an early evening mocktail, if you will. It's usually some kind of kombucha or even just sparkling water in a glass, a fancy glass, but I wanted to do something cute for you guys to go with the olive oil cake. This is one of my favorite little sober purchases. This is called Kin. I mentioned it vlogs ago before you guys knew that I was sober and buying all of these beverages. And this is called Kin. It's Euphorics for Mankind. And it's all bliss, no booze, rise wisely. And it says serve chilled, just grab and flow for best effects, sip socially. So it has a little bit of caffeine in it, a little bit of sugar, and then it has hibiscus flower, L-theanine, 5-HTP, different just kind of like wellness little supplements that are supposed to kind of raise your vibrations. So it definitely gives you like a little bit of a buzz, obviously not in an alcohol way, just more in like a blissful way. Like you don't feel intoxicated at all, but it's definitely amazing for social stuff. And I actually love the way it tastes. Kind of reminds me of an Aperol Spritz. And then I'm gonna just take the can, pour it over ice. But as you can see, it's like a really pretty kind of blood orange color. It is really bitter in a good way. It's sweet and bitter, just like an Aperol Spritz. But I'm gonna add just a little bit of lemon spindrift just to give it just a little bit more sweetness and water it down a tad, and just kind of goes good like that. Today's mocktail of the day, it literally looks like you have a cute just like little summer Aperol Spritz aperitif. I got my little mixing. It's so good. It literally tastes like an Italian spritzer, literally something that I would have drinking in Italy. I love it over ice while the olive oil cake bakes, and then I have an exciting little decoration for the olive oil cake for you guys, so just wait. The cake is done. It was like totally risen, especially to one side, and letting it sit like totally made it deflate. It's still like a little bit warm. I don't even know how to like attempt to get it out. The edges are fine. How people, oh my gosh. Oh, she's stunning, you guys. She's literally stunning. Wow, wow. She's dense, she's stunning. I'm gonna top it with powdered sugar because that's what the girls at Little House Confections do. And it's super cute. So I'm just gonna put some powdered sugar in the strainer and see if it works. Oh, it works. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God, you guys. You guys. You guys. I'm a genius. Ho, 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 ho. So I got on Etsy, I saw this like freeze-dried food little Etsy store, and I got freeze-dried lemons that aren't opening. This is the Etsy store. So I thought that this would be cute because it's like little freeze-dried lemons, and it's like lemon olive oil cake. They smell good, they smell like lemons. So they're real, obviously. Okay, I'm just gonna do two. I'm just gonna do two. So 2 freeze-dried lemons. And then I kind of like the way it looks, but I did get edible flowers, so we can see if it looks cute, but if it doesn't, we don't want to go overkill. Honestly, I think it's like a little overkill. I'll use it for something else. I'll make something else this week. Edible flowers are from Whole Foods. Our olive oil cake. Okay, I hope it tastes good because it looks really, really good. This is what it really comes down to, because I'm honestly really glad it looks good, because if it didn't even look good, the video would be totally ruined. But now let's try a taste. She's soft, she has a nice texture. Okay, she looks good. She looks like an olive oil cake. She looks moist. It's actually really good. It's definitely not as lemony as I wanted it to be, but the flavor's not too overpowering. It's like a good texture. It's nice and moist. It honestly just tastes like a traditional olive oil cake. I really like it. I think it would taste good with like fresh berries. So I would want to add more lemon next time. I'm gonna figure it out even more, but like honestly, even like the bottom, like she's perfect. It's so good. Wow, wow. I can't believe I finally made a freaking olive oil cake Cheers. Thank you for putting up with me with my fresh face because I'm trying to clear up my acne, so I didn't want to put makeup on. I'm sorry. But thank you guys for cooking / baking with me, making a mocktail with me. I've wanted to make this cake for so long. I'm so glad that I finally did. It tastes so freaking good. I'll link the recipe I used down below, but I am gonna work on my own recipe to make it exactly what I want. But so far, we're at a really good starting point. My dog is crying. Let me know what you guys want me to cook or bake next because I do it, so I might as well film it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up because not only does it help my channel, but it helps me know you guys like what I'm doing. So subscribe for more, give this video a thumbs up. Obviously comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in just a few days. Bye.